Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This ESR 3-in-1 pack for iPhone Pro Max screen protector has been saving my phone from breaking, especially when I drop it by accident. The instructions are super easy to follow. I love that it comes with this frame that you can align the screen to, and that makes me feel like it is super insured and easy bubble-free application. It also comes with this little mat that I can put the phone in top of it. So whenever I'm not applying a new screen protector, my phone doesn't move. So the screen protector is self-leveling. I just drop it inside and it did it all by itself. I just needed to push just a little bit more. And this is my old screen protector, same brand. That's why I love it. Comes in a 3-pack. I dropped my phone several times. I was afraid, but this screen protector really protected it. I love the edges. They're really smooth, so I hardly feel like there's anything on top of my phone. And it comes with this little case, which I love because I can store it. And that's my point of view.